Okay, here's a bit of a rare beast, 950 SM. Had a few in over the last year or so, but don't see them very often. I have to say it is a bit of a blast to ride. Just had a little go up and down the road on it. I forget just what good fun they are. Actually knocks the spots off the 690s and 790s and 890s. Really quite a ferocious bike. Very low mileage one. Bike's all in good condition. Tyres are good. A bit dirty. It's literally just been ridden in. Came up from the south coast. The last owner found it a bit of a fierce bike. Got handguards. Can't see any damage on it. Engine casings look good. They can go a bit sometimes. These ones look good. I guess it's such low mileage. Shop looks good. It's got the max torque cans on it. Rear tyre's good. Yeah, it'll have a full size number plate. You have to put those on to sell it. So it looks really nice and clean. Not been dropped. Doesn't look like it's been ragged. No sort of burning on the edge of the tyres or anything. Nice and round. Again, engine case is good on that side. We will give it a clean before it goes out. But it looks like someone has actually really looked after it well. It is actually very nice and clean. Nuts and bolts aren't rusty. Got these fantastic Brembo brakes on them. So it's not even gone over sideways to get rid of the chalk marks on the side of the tyres. It's got heated grips on it, which is nice. Switch for them somewhere. Anyway, they are heated. You see the wire going to them there. So it's done a grand total of 5679 miles. Starts on a button, it's nice. Sounds fantastic with the exhaust on it.